I am going to light up this Roby Gemini and show you guys how good this thing burns, because I'm so impressed. Like, it's cold out. It's really still pretty cold. The snow's starting to melt, but I mean, yeah, the stove is cold. And there's hardly any flue stack on it either. It takes off so nice. That's how we do it. No fire starter, quick blowtorch, dry kindling. I'm gonna leave the door cracked just a minute because I'm outside here. All right, I'm gonna show you guys. Like, I just lit this up. We are outside and there is like very, very little smoke coming out of the stove at all. I am genuinely so very impressed by the Roby stoves and how well they burn.